Okay, before I show you anything, I need you to watch this clip.
How dare you hit my child? You will regret your very existence.
How could you do that to her on your wedding day? Have you lost your mind? You do not know what she just told me.
I made that with a chat. I literally typed what I wanted to happen, and this AI tool created the whole thing. No Blender, no After Effects, no fancy animation degree. It was just a conversation. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step. And by the end of this video, you will be able to make your own animated video very easily. The tool that I use to make this is called Anijam. Now, I've tested lots of AI tools on this page, and most of them are just AI generators. They generate clips of like 5 seconds and 10 seconds. But Anijam is an AI director. It doesn't just generate clips, it generates the scripts, it generates the characters, the videos, the lip sync, the background sound, puts everything in a pipeline and creates a finished video, giving you opportunity at every point to edit and direct these videos the way that you want. Anijam is ChatGPT of animation. Let me show you how easy it is to use, especially if you want to create an animation channel that's going to be showing movies or maybe YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and any other social media platforms. Now let's head over to Anijam, and the link is going to be in the description. Once you log into Anijam, they give you 500 free credits and also 100 credits every day you sign up to the platform. Just sign up with your email address and a password. Anijam works on both your PC and your phone, exactly the same thing. In fact, if you're using an iOS device, you can download the application to your phone. Exactly the same workflow I'm going to do now on my PC is exactly the workflow that works on your mobile phone. If you're thinking while I'm looking to this side, my PC is here, which I'm going to use to show you the full workflow, okay? So now that we are signed in, we have this beautiful interface that says, what story will you animate today? So today I have a story about a little girl who sees her parents quarreling because of money, and then the little girl, not knowing how much they needed, brings her piggy bank to them. So I have the story already written up, like my idea. So I just come here and, I type it out. Okay, what I really want to see in this video, and then I press the send button. It opens up this interface, which is almost like a canvas, and you can see that the first thing it's doing is that it's trying to create our story outline. You can see skill story outline is loading. Now, Anijam gives you 3 modes for which you can use to create. We have the director mode, the workflow mode, the Oscar mode. Now you can choose any one that better suits you. But for today, and to show you the ease at which you can work with Anijam, I'm going to be using the director mode. And it's going to ask you what model are we going to work with. It has 3 model choices: Sedans 2.0, 1 2.7, and Kling. I'm going to stick with Sedans, okay, and I'm going to press confirm. You can see that every step of the way it's asking for your input, and this is important in creating a content or a video content that's going to be authentic. Okay, now it's going to show you the next thing in the AI director's mode. It's going to ask you, what is your audience, what age is your audience? I'm going to say all ages. What platform do you want it to be played on? This video you want to create, this animated video you want to create. So YouTube, my aspect ratio is going to be 16:9 because this is YouTube, and I want it in dialogue mode. Dialogue mode means that one person is going to talk, another person is going to respond. So they are going to be talking in the scene. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you, what is the duration of this video? How long do you want this video to be? So for me, I don't want this video to be too long because I don't think a lot of things happening in this small scene. You can make your video as long as 1 hour 30 minutes, as you can see right here, but mine is going to be very short. Mine is just going to be 30 seconds, just to show you what this application can do. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at 0.5 minutes, and I'm going to click confirm. With all this fully organized, it's going to create for you your full story outline. So our story outline has been created, and you can see it on the canvas. To move the canvas about, you can just pick it like this, move it up and down. And if you go over to this chatbot area, you can actually see what is written in the outline. You can see there's an argument, there's a doorway scene. These are the 5 scenes it has broken the video into. If you click here and turn it to 50%, you'll be able to see clearly what is written of course, in this outline. Now back to the chatbot portion. It's going to ask us, let us select our style designs. I'm going to click here. So right now it has given us 4 visual styles for us to pick from. So I kind of think I like this this one. Let's do pixel pop. Now it's going to tell us the characters it's going to design: the husband, the wife, the daughter, and then some props. And once it is done designing, it's going to create it for you. It's going to show like this, and once you click it, it shows over here as a concept art. So this shows us now what the mother looks like, the child is going to look like, the bills, the piggy bank, the table, and of course their kitchen place. Every character and prop we need to tell the story has been created by Anijam. Now if you have any corrections, maybe you don't like the color of the table or the way the room is, you can just type it right here and say, I do not like the color of the room, just over here, and it's going to change it exactly the way you want. Okay, so at every point in time you're given the opportunity to adjust as you go. And the next thing it's going to ask you is, let's start the video generation. So you click OK. Now it's going to divide the story into different scenes, okay, and it's going to generate the videos for each of the scenes. So we can see now here that it has done it right here. It has given us the 2 scenes it's going to generate, because you just want to do a 30-second video. So it's going to ask you if you want to generate it one by one or generate it all at once. So for this, I clicked generate all at once, and so the videos were generated. So this is the first video that was generated.
We don't have enough this month. I don't know what we're going to do.
And this is the second continuing part that was generated. So if you have corrections in any of the parts that were generated, you can always just type them here. Like for example, I want to add an extra scene where the father will come and hug her and say thank you. Okay, so I'm going to tell you to add that extra scene. So I'm going to say add an extra scene after the child offers, after the offering. Let's just use what is here. So now the extra video has been created and we can see it right here, and it's also here, also in the AI director panel, as you can see here. So let's click it and see what it looks like. Okay,
Oh, sweetheart.
I think that took the video to a whole new level. So now that is all done. We have our 3 scenes done. Videos, I'm okay with them. So it's going to ask us now that our video is now 45 seconds long instead of 30, and do want to create the background music, of which I'm going to say yes, let's create a background music. So now the audio has been created and you can see it here, audio updated, and the audio has been generated here. We can quickly play it and see what it sounds like. Yeah, it moves with the sadness of what this video kind of looks like. And then finally they'll ask you if you want to render a preview video, which is going to combine the videos with the sound together, and I'm going to say yes. So now everything is done. It has merged everything together, and this is the finished video. We can click over here. You can see the preview, and you can click this button here to download the full video. Now that we're done with the video, let's see what the final video looks like.
We don't have enough this month. I don't know what we're gonna do. I can with Feely do.
You can have all of it.
Oh, sweetheart.
Oh, that was amazing. That was amazing. I really like it. What do you think about it? You could see me do everything just from a conversation. the kitchen remain consistent. Even the different angles of the kitchen remain consistent. The characters remain consistent. Their outfits remain consistent. Her hair, the child's hair, the husband's hair, the mother's hair, everything remain consistent. To be very honest, it has been a very long time I worked with an AI tool that I felt like it gave me exactly what I needed just from a conversation, and I didn't need to make lots of alterations. You can also add the media to the timeline if you feel you need to edit some things out of it. If you're on a PC and you like to fine-tune it, you can just go here and add your media to timeline, and it's going to take your video straight to the timeline. Sign up and just try it out. But there's only one drawback I can say from using this AI tool, and that is it takes time. Like, even though I'm showing you these things as they're happening on the spot, they really do take time. It does take time to generate the image, generate the videos, and even to combine everything to a full video. If Anijam is not available in your country, just download this Urban VPN, install it into your Google Chrome, and that is it. Just put it on, select any country like the United States or United Kingdom, and of course you'll be able to access Anijam. And once you've signed up to Anijam, you don't need a VPN to continue entering into the particular website. So that is today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and you can watch either of these two videos right here. They're going to teach you something amazing in the AI world. My name is Jayne. This is Everyday AI with Jayne. I'll see you on the next video.